Good morning, everyone. Duane here with more Excel quick tips. Today we're looking at text to columns. To show how to convert text to columns, I'm using this example here. You see the headings are separated by commas. This is consistent with the data all the way through. Those commas are referred to as delimiters. I'm selecting the data first. Now on the data ribbon, I'm going to the text to columns command, clicking on that, and it brings up the wizard. Delimited is selected in the first step. I click on next. Second step, I'm making sure that comma is selected because that is the delimiter that's being used. I go next. Now, I could leave this data where it is and replace it in that position, but I want to set a new destination for it. So I'm highlighting destination there. I'm choosing D3, and that's where it's going to set up. I'm clicking on finish. There we have text converted to columns. I've clicked on the comma and space tab down the bottom. And in this example, you can see that the headers are separated by a comma and a space. Slightly different scenario. I'm selecting the data. I'm going to the text to columns button, clicking on that. Here is the wizard. First step, delimited. That's good. I go next. Now I see that comma is the separator. Down below there is a preview. And note there's a space in front of the data in those columns there. So I'm going to click on space. Now two delimiters become one. As you can see here, it says treat consecutive delimiters as one. If I look at the preview, the space has disappeared from in front of the text. I click on next. Once again, I'm going to choose a destination. I highlight that there, and I'm clicking in D3, and I'm clicking on finish. And there we have another example of text to columns, in this case with two delimiters becoming one. Well, that's text to columns. I hope you got plenty out of it. If you liked it, please give it a like, and if you feel inclined, you might want to subscribe. If you have any questions on that, you can contact me on info@projectexcel.com.au. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.